Okay, Ketobaes, the last time I was at Hyvee, they had so many low carb and keto friendly finds that I needed to make this into a longer video. Grab your favorite beverage and your popcorn replacement of choice, and I hope you enjoy this haul. So Hyvee is a Midwest grocery chain. It's like a regular grocery store, but they do a really good job of having something called their health market, which is focused on people who have special diets. So this happens to be in their keto aisle. It's literally labeled that at the store, and it's like a one-stop shop for keto-friendly, low-carb, sugar-free items. I love that because you don't have to like run around the store to look for the certain product that you need. So all the sweeteners here are in this aisle. They have all the brands you could possibly think of: Sola, Pure, Lakanto, Swerve, Wholesome, Love. I mean, you name it, it's probably at this store. And then they have sugar-free syrups, granolas, crackers, chip replacements, cookies, candy, all in this aisle. It's actually super cool. I would highly recommend, if you do find yourself in the Midwest, check out a Hyvee. They have a great selection. They also have those like Oreo replacements from Catalina Crunch, along with 3 or 4 different keto-friendly cereals, crackers, granola bars, little mini cookies, even the Hilo Life chips, which are always sold out on Amazon. So just a lot of options for grab and go. And here are the Good Measure products. I've never actually tried them, but I've been seeing these pop up on shelves at a lot of different stores. Let me know if you've tried them. I would love to hear your review. They also had skinny pasta. This is the angel hair one, so it's a good rice noodle replacement. Of course, you know, we need to have our pork rinds. There are tons of different brands represented here, along with chicken chips. These are a little higher carb than pork rinds, but they're still good. And then the Southern recipe ones, tons of different like gourmet flavors, I would say. They also have the snack bag. So this is great for those of you who want to portion control, because sometimes it's kind of hard to stop eating pork rinds, especially when they're delicious. They also have the Egg Life wraps. These are great tortilla or lasagna replacements, and then a ton of different yogurts. This is the keto ratio one, high in calories but super low in carbs. It also tastes really good too. I thought this was interesting. It was just squeezable guacamole. Not sure if it tastes good, but it sounded interesting. All of the sparkling or bubbly water that you could possibly think of. I've never tried that Spindrift flavor. If you've tried that, let me know how it is. I do like Spindrift in general. And then this is the new Chobani Zero Sugar Yogurt. If you're a fan of Go-Gurt and the texture and the taste, this is what I feel like this yogurt tastes like. And I honestly think it's like my new favorite. I love the texture. I've been eating it throughout this week, and I can't wait to try all the flavors. I've tried the mixed berry and the blueberry so far, so the other ones are probably going to be good. I also love it when grocery stores carry more than just like a dozen eggs. So of course I bought the 30 eggs. Here is some Too Good yogurt and the bigger containers, which you don't always see at the stores. And then this is the variety or like the value packs of those Chobani Zero Sugars. When it comes to their frozen stuff, they have a health market section as well, and most of it is like sugar-free or keto-friendly ice cream. They have all the brands that we see here on Instagram, so like Rebel, Enlightened, Keto Pint, Love. There were others that I hadn't even heard of before, so there is no shortage of frozen items. They even have those Rebel ice cream sandwiches, the ice cream bars, and then they have frozen entrees like the Real Good stuff, and frozen smart cakes, buns, Sola buns, even the low-carb, sugar-free cookie dough bites from Enlightened as well. So there's a lot of options to choose from if you are someone who likes to have these types of products. I just thought that was cute, by the way, the sauerkraut. And last but not least, the Olive Garden Italian dressing, which honestly is just my favorite dressing for salads.